Video number 14. WhatsApp Marketing Shocking Case Studies. Click, a chocolate snack, wanted to improve its brand by targeting teenagers. Having no inventory posted in media, the challenge was finding a way to approach teenagers. They published the Click phone number on their Facebook page and asked their fans to add them to their WhatsApp group. Thus, they began making contact with their fans using a game similar to Simon Says. The result was that more than 2,000 children added Click to their WhatsApp group, and 91% of them completed game missions. This way, they increased its Facebook ranking by 51%. Toyota, a globally recognized Japanese car company, wanted to promote the new Toyota Aygo. They carefully created a challenge, calling it Score One Aygo, developing a platform that could control mass conversations. Toyota then showed auto parts to those who were interested. They got over 16,000 interested people, 7,000 comments per hour, and more than 89,000 messages, thus getting suspended several times by WhatsApp. Out of 30 million prints, 15,000 were generated by fans, increasing the share of voice from 5.9% to 36%. Vastushad, a leader in the development of real estate in the affordable housing segment of Pune, India, established a relationship with See-Through, an agency in strategy and design, thus understanding effective campaigns. Vastushad launched a campaign named Homes for All Movement, with the objective of giving autonomy to the dreams of home buyers in and around Pune. Through exhibitions, prints, and online marketing, they launched an integrated campaign. In addition to this integrated campaign, they were willing to explore a more direct communication tool, this being WhatsApp. They reached a higher level using this integration. They received more than 800 requests for future projects, thus generating a database of prospective buyers only by using WhatsApp. Coffee is a chain of cafes located in Israel, where young people meet regularly. They wanted to promote their Better Together campaign. For this, they made use of WhatsApp, knowing that it is the most used application in Israel, for creating groups where young people would meet. They made a challenge named Which One Would Be the Best Group of WhatsApp, and a free meal was offered to the winning group. Users added their group, thus receiving a personal link to invite their group to the challenge. They created a fictional character who would provide a number and request to be added to their group. The fictional character then offered them coffee prices, thus promoting it, and asked questions. About 2,500 groups entered the competition. Soul Providers creates online communities for its favorite brands. They specialize in the production of digital content. Soul Providers likes to experiment. They had a campaign called Castle Lager, and they wanted to promote it firsthand to football fans. They began using WhatsApp and noticed that this application had doubled its users from 2013 to 2014. They created groups with their fans, promoting the campaign and providing information about football, asking questions, and interacting with users. The results were better than when interacting through other social networks. Now, they were having direct communications with their customers using the WhatsApp platform. Hellmann's is a brand of kitchen products. They wanted to inspire new uses of mayonnaise as an ingredient for cooking, thus creating new recipes, since most people do not know how to cook with the ingredients they have at hand. They had an idea to use WhatsApp for connecting people with professional chefs, willing to teach cooking with ingredients you usually have at home. They named the project What's Cook. People gave their number on the website, and real chefs contacted them to discuss any food as long as it had Hellmann's mayonnaise in it. The project started in Brazil and also included Argentina, Uruguay, Chile, and Paraguay. There were over 5 million impressions and more than 13,000 people registered for the service. Bewakuf is a profitable e-commerce site founded in 2012, and they have gotten good results. They noticed the great impact of social media on youth, so they wanted to take advantage of this and set it as their objective, because they were using Facebook to reach their audience. They began selling through WhatsApp, providing information about their product with a more personal approach using their clients' phone numbers. Customers must mention the name of the product, their name and address, and then send a WhatsApp message to the official number of the service. Now, its total sales using WhatsApp have increased by 15%. They say they have already handled 10,000 pings from clients, including placing orders, inquiries, suggestions, and other interactions.